Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how you can transfer money from Revolut to IBKR. Here's what you want to do. Open up the Interactive Brokers app, and here you just sign into your account. Now from this app we need to get our banking information. So you will navigate to the transfer and pay section, then click on deposit funds. You will find wire transfer and you just want to copy the bank details. Once you have the bank details from IBKR, you will open up Revolut, sign into your account here as well, and then you will go into payments. Click on payments, then you want to click on the plus sign in the top right corner, and here you will just choose bank. You will then provide the information which you got from IBKR, and you can set the amount which you want to transfer, and it's gonna work as any other transfer would. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.